Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope my all friends are good. God bless you, always be happy. So viewer, first of all, welcome back to my YouTube channel Crochet Pattern Design Ideas. Lovely viewers, thankful to you for subscribe my channel and watching all my previous videos, and also think about I have produced for you most gorgeous, unique and splendid crochet baby poncho pattern design ideas. Crochet baby ponchos are not only adorable but also practical, offering warmth and comfortable while allowing free movement for little ones. These ponchos come in various designs from simple and elegant to intricate and playful style, making them perfect for different seasons and occasions. Classic granny scare ponchos. This poncho is created using multiple colorful granny scare joined together, giving it a charming vintage look. You can experiment with different color combinations to make it vibrant and eye-catching. The pattern is beginner friendly and great for using up leftover yarn. Today I am sharing this video crochet baby poncho pattern design ideas. Lacy shell stitch poncho. For a delicate and airy designs, the shell stitch poncho is an excellent choice. It features an open work pattern that makes it light yet stylish, making it ideal for spring and summer. Using soft pastel shade or natural tones enhance its elegant appeal. It's an amazing collection. Hooded baby poncho. A hooded poncho add extra warmth and coziness, making it perfect for chilly days. This design often includes simple stitches like half double crochet or double crochet, ensure a snug yet breathable fit. You can even add pom-poms or ears to the hood for a cute touch. These articles monster so amazing, so stunning ideas. Tassels or French poncho. For a playful and woman-inspired design, a poncho with tassels or fringe is a great choice. The edges of the poncho can be adorned with long yarn standard to add movement and texture. This style looks beautiful in natural tones, earthy color, or bright shades for a fun twist. Animal theme poncho. Perfect for little ones who love fun and whimsical outfit, and animal theme ponchos for include bear ears, bunny ears, or other cute details. This design is often paired with cozy plush yarn to create a warmth and snug outfit. For a more texture and sophisticated look, a cable stitch poncho adds depth and warmth. Color like mustard, grey or cream, it's perfect for fall and winter, providing extra warmth and elegance. So dear friend, if you want to complete visiting my YouTube channel Crochet Pattern Design Ideas, guys, different people have different choice. So guys, share the video with your friend, family who want crochet baby poncho pattern design ideas. You can see beautiful and stunning design ideas. Would you like a specific pattern recommendation, or do you need help choosing the right yarn for your ponchos? So guys, like my video, subscribe my channel. Do not forget to press the bell icon for new latest update. Be connected with me, remember me in your prayer, friends. See you soon. Allah Hafiz and take care. Allah bless you and keep smiling.